had applied because at the time I just had an academic project and I could see there was translational potential in this project, but I didn't really have the tool, the network, or the knowledge to actually bring it further to, a more entrepreneurial world. And so that's why I decided to apply to really try to get the kick to understand what I needed to know, and also to kind of build a network of people that could help me to reach my goal.
I guess I was very curious to see what other people who had been through the process of starting a business before could tell me and give me more insight into the kind of mindset that I needed and the kind of things I should pay attention to. And the other thing, I looked at the program and somehow it covered all the steps in a little bit of detail, which meant that I felt like I could get a pretty good overview in just 2 days of what normally would take a couple of weeks of study of my kind of that business class or something like that.
I like to answer this question with the sentence, to get the right questions, because you never get really, especially in entrepreneurship, you never get the right answers. You might get an answer from an expert and the total opposite from the other expert, and they're both very valuable, like leaders. But I think what is really important for someone that wants to enter into the world of entrepreneurship is to be able to know exactly what needs to be investigated. And that's, I think, the most important key learning there.
So with my project, it was quite technical and fairly specialized in the sense that it needed a very specialized way of presenting it, which I couldn't have easily come up with myself. And what bench2biz really gave me a lot of insight in is exactly how to package the ideas and the technologies that we sort of develop as specialists at the university in a way that's easily understandable and accessible to other people, investors, and so on, and be able to really make a pitch of it. And then in terms of structuring the business, there are also things like deciding what exactly the personnel structure would be. You go through things like what your initial office layout would be like and how to hire people, etc. All these things, even though I didn't end up starting a business, they gave me a lot of insight on what I would have needed to do.
Yeah, so for me, it's like 2/3 different things. One thing is really the full immersion. So you're there in the room with the experts, and you're really just focusing on your project, on your business case, and the questions there. The second is the actual experts that are really knowledgeable, but quite tough as well. So they really push you to ask the right question and find your own answers. And also at the same time, the amazing presenters, showman, Mark Wilson, that of course made everything real fun, but also at the same time he's very knowledgeable. So he also gave a lot of nice inputs that were really helpful.
One really special thing in bench2biz for me was Mark's presentation style, which I really enjoyed. He managed to convey everything extremely directly and really package it down into the bare essentials and make it quite engaging and fun along the way. So somehow he was probably one of the best presenters I've seen in this kind of workshop. So him alone is probably enough of a reason to go for bench2biz as opposed to many of the other workshops I've seen. Apart from that, the structure itself was pretty well thought through. For a 2-day program, it was very well run. There was a lot of flexibility. In my case, I was kind of the main, I was the only person advocating my project. So I was free to bring in various people from my group and various other people that could help me out on this. And overall, the project was really, it was clear that the organizers had done it many times and every aspect was thought through well.